guys, I got my boards. Let's get it.
Hello everyone, my name is Mari and you are now tuned in to Mari's Van Vibes. All right, you guys, I'm leaving my apartment, as you can see. And we're heading out to go check out this van. So let's go check them out.
Draft pick number one chosen. Drop bombs, explosion, self-promotion. And I keep shit moving like a flanker in motion. I'm the number one spokesman, is my devotion.
All right, you guys, let's clean her up. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mari, back with Mari Vibes. Y'all already know, man. Taking y'all on the journey today of this nightlife. Stay tuned, check it out. Good morning, YouTube. Today is the next day, man. It's morning time. Right here, you guys, we have Brooke. She's part of the channel as well. You would like to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Brooke. I am the significant other of the main man here, and nice to meet you guys.
All right, you guys. We're on our way to Jimmy John's, baby. Jimmy John's, woo. Got $5 hats, you guys. Shirts, dollar shirts.
We're a large, right?
Yep. Guys, we just ran into some shirts and some hats. Yeah, I still think Subway better. All right, you guys, I got my boards.
Because we gotta move this. Yeah, perfect. See? Perfect as hell. Plus, we still gotta take the seats out, so it's gonna go farther in a little bit. Mm-hmm.